Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to SPS online classes. That means Scottish Public School online classes. Welcome again after the summer vacation. I hope you have enjoyed all your colorful moments with your family. After that, we will continue with our topics. In our last classes, we will discuss about the square root of fractions. So basically, how we can find the square root of a fraction numbers. In this topic, I think we solve few questions. And again, I will continue with this topic. This topic. So I will tell you some few example and some objective questions. Few example and some objective questions. So suppose that, so first of all we will discuss exercise questions, that is simple things. Exercise 3G. Exercise 3G. So we will take 11:30 and now question number 5. Question is that 3 into 13 by 36 का होल रूट. तो इसका हमको क्या करना है, स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करना, मतलब फाइंड द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस. तो बेसिकली द गिवन क्वेश्चन इज इन मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. So first of all we will change the mixed fraction in simple fraction. The rule is that suppose that कि a b by c, suppose that this is a fraction, mixed fraction. So we will change simply in simple fraction. So first of all, that means कि a into c plus b by c. This is the simple rule. To change a mixed fraction into simple fraction. That means a into c plus b by c. This is the rule. So we will apply the same rule with this question. So that means 33 into 36 plus 13 by 36 पे whole root. So finally the value is, let me multiply 3 into 36. So that means 108, 3 6 18, 1 3 3 9 plus 1 10 plus 13 by 36. The value is 121 by 36. So finally the value is 121 by 36. 8 plus 3 1 plus 1 2 and 1. So 121 by 36. So this will be equal to 121 by 36. So as we know that simply 121 is the perfect square of 11 and 36 is the perfect square of 6. So finally this can be written as 11 का whole square by 6 का whole square. So simply we will write 11 by 6 is the answer. 11 by 6 is the answer. Another way, we can use another method simply. So we can, as we know that the value of root is, simply first of all we will write by 6 to the whole square. So as we know that the value of root is half. So that means कि 11 का होल स्क्वायर बाय 6 का होल स्क्वायर पे पावर 1 by 2. तो ऑब्वियसली कि a to the power m, b to the power m, this can be written as a by b पे whole power m or a to the power m, b to the a by b पे whole power m, this can be written as a to the power m and b to the power m. Power will be divided. So power will be divided. 11 पे power 2 into 1 by 2 by 6 पे power 2 into 1 by 2. So 2 cancel and 2 cancel. So finally 11 by 6. Answer will be same. Just change the mathematical method. अब किसी भी कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करो. आप you can use any mathematical concept For solving these questions, after that you will get same answer 6 11 by 6 11 by 6. So simply and by the method, by the some logic. Another question is that question number 6. Question number 6 question is that कि 473 by 324 find the square root. Simply कि 4 into 324 plus 73 by 324. तो we will multiply कि 324 into 4 plus 73. So this will be equals to 4 4 the 4 16 and 1 4 to the 8 plus 1 9 4 3 the 12 plus 73. So 3 plus 6 9 7 plus 9 6 and 12. The value is 1200. 1 second. ये 4 4 जा 16 1 4 4 जा 16 4 2 जा 8 plus 1 9 3 plus 6 9 and 7 plus 9 16 1 2 plus 1 3 and 13 6 9 by the whole value is 13 6 9 by 324. So you can use factorization method or division method. For finding the square root for this question, you can use factorization method or division method. First of all, we will use division method. Division method. So 13 6 9. Make pair from right side this way. So 13 is not a perfect square number. 13 is a prime number. 13 is a prime number. The prime number is not a perfect square. So we will use 3 times 3 3 is a 9. That means 4 6 9 6 6 is a 3 3 is a 6. 3 times 7 times 7 times 7 7 is 49. 3 7 6 is 42 plus 3 sorry 7 7 is 49 9 4 7 4 6 is 42 plus 4 46 4. This will be cancelled 4 7. That means 37. So we can write that कि 37 into 37 will be equal to 13 6 9 and whole by 324. So 324 is the square of 18. That means कि 18 into 18 it will be equals to 324. So this can be written as 18 into 18. So finally 37 का whole square by 18 का whole square with whole root, this will be equal to 37 by 18 is the answer. 18 is the answer. We will write it directly. अगर power 2 है root पे तो root cancel. The value is 37 by 18. और एक स्टेप को अगर आप थोड़ा सा इसको लेंथी करना चाह रहे हैं, that means अगर आप कैलकुलेशन को थोड़ा सा बढ़ाना चाह रहे हैं, you can do 37 by 18 का whole square पे whole root. Obviously, this will be equals to 37 by 8. Square root and 2 will be cancelled. So finally, the result is 37 by 18. 37 by 18. Next question is that कि 98 into question number 10 98 root under 98 into 162 तो both number the number is not a perfect square. The number is not a perfect square of any whole number. So how we can calculate the square root of a given number? Simply we will find prime factorization. So 98 can be written as 49 into 2. 98 can be written as 49 into 2, and as we know that 49 can be written as 7 into 7. That the whole value is that 7 into 7 into 2. 7 into 7 into 2. So that means this way, so 98 can be written as 7 into 7 into 2. So finally the value is 7 root 2. So 98 can be written as 7 root 2. Finally 7 root 2 into, we will apply similar process with 162. We will apply similar process with 162. So simply, so 162 2 times 81, 3 times 27, 3 times 9 and 3 times 1. So that means कि 162 का whole root it will be equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 2. That means 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 3 3 is a 9 into 3. The 3 3 is a 9, 9 into 3 27, 27 into 3 81, 81 into 2 162. As we know that कि 80 into 2 160, तो 160, तो वहाँ पे 1 ज़्यादा है तो 162. तो that means कि 162 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 2. So finally the value is root 2 into pair 3 to the square into 3 to the square into 2. So obviously 7 root 2 into 3 to the square into 3 to the square into root 2. तो हम लोग रूट को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं ए बी पे होल रूट. दैट मीन्स रूट ए इंटू रूट बी. वी कैन राइट दैट. तो वी कैन राइट दिस टर्म लाइक दैट इंटू 3 इंटू रूट 2. तो फाइनली रूट 2 इंटू रूट 2. दैट मीन्स 7 इंटू 3 इंटू 3. 7 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 2. 7 into 3 into 3 into 2. The final value is that 3 into 7 21, 21 into 6, that means 6 to 1 126 is the answer. 126 is the answer. First method is that कि you have, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन निकाल लेंगे. तो 98 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 98 इज 7 रूट 2 एंड prime factorization of 162. That means 162 can be written as 3 to 3 का whole square into 3 to the whole square into 2. तो after देखो 3 का square 3, 3 का square 3 and 2. So this can be written as 9 root 2. This can be written as 9 root 2. You can do all this work in outside. That means in a rough way. That means simply 162 can be written as 9 root 2. Finally. So directly we will put the value in that place कि 7 root 2 into 9 root 2. So this means कि 7 into 9 into root 2 into root 2. The final value is that कि 7 into 9 into 2. So that means 9 into 6, 63 into 2. That means 6 to 1 is the answer. You can use any method. You can use any mathematical calculation. That means any तकनीक, मतलब any logic, जैसे आपको सिंपल पड़े कैलकुलेशन यू कैन यूज ऑल द वेज बट आंसर रिमेन सेम. तो वी कैन यूज लाइक दैट. यू कैन यूज ऑल्सो दिस फॉर दिस मैथमेटिकल लॉजिक. यू कैन यूज ऑल्सो दिस मैथमेटिकल लॉजिक. तो फर्स्ट वन इज दैट, सेकेंड वन इज दैट एंड थर्ड एंड अनदर मैथड. तो हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, एक मेथड मेरे पास ये भी बचा है, जैसे कि रूट 98 इंटू 162. तो सपोज दैट कि रूट ए इंटू रूट बी, दिस विल बी इक्वल टू रूट के अंदर ए बाई ए इंटू बी. तो विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस वैल्यू. तो दैट मीन्स रूट अंडर 98 इंटू 162. 98 इंटू 162. method third. तो 98 into 162, तो we will multiply 162 by 98, that means 16, 1, 8 to the 16, 1, 8 6 जा, और 48, 48 plus 1, 49, 4, 8 1 जा 8 plus 4, 12, 9 to the 18, 9 to the 9 9 18, 18 to 8, 1, 9 into 6, 54, 54 plus 1, 55 plus 5, 14. This will be equal to 6, 8 9 17, 9 8 17, 5 3 8, 5 and this. तो 15 8 6, that means this will be equal to 15 8 7. सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, क्योंकि हम जानते हैं एज वी नो दैट कि रूट ए इंटू रूट बी विल बी इक्वल टू रूट अंडर ए इंटू बी. तो वी विल यूज सिमिलर कॉन्सेप्ट विद दिस क्वेश्चन. So 98 इंटू रूट अंडर 162 कैन बी रिटन एज रूट अंडर 98 इंटू 162. The whole value is 18876. Use the division method. 8876. Make pair from right side. So 1 times it will be 1 cancel. 2 8 8 2 8 8 8 8. तो 4 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times. तो 8 plus 8. Wait a second. The value is 15876. The value is 15876. 15876. Make pair from right side. So 1 times cancel. 1 plus 1 2. 5 8. 5 8. That means 2 times. That means 2 times 2 to the 4. That means 44. So 4 and 1 and 4 and 2 and 7 6. 7 6. 6 times. 6 times. So 6 6 is a 36. 3 6 into 4. 24 plus 3 27. 2 6 into 2 12. 12 plus 2 14. This will be, it will be cancelled. So finally is 126. That means 126 is the answer. So you can use any method as per your possibilities. You can use any method and you can find the square root of given question. You can find the square root of given question. So there are basically 3 methods. With the help of out of 3 methods we can find the square root of the given question, prime factorization or division. So which one is easy, you can choose it. Six to 5 and question number 4. Question number 4 नहीं, question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8 is that कि 80 divide by 405. 80 root under 80 by 405. So simply 80, this method 1. Simply कि 80 by 405 whole by this way. This can be written as like that. Why? Because as we know that root a by root b, this can be written as a by b पे whole root. A by b पे whole root. So we will use simple concept with this. So now the value is, अब देखो 5 times अगर दोनों डिवाइड लगता है तो 5 times 25 जा 5 times 16 5 जा 80. 5 टाइम्स इसको हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. तो 16 5 जा 80. 16 5 जा 80 एंड दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 8 40 ना. 5 टाइम्स 8 5 जा 40 एंड 1. इट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 16 by 81. 16 by 81. एंड एज वी नो दैट कि 16 16 is the perfect square 4. That means 4 and 81. This will be equals to perfect square of 9 equals to 9 equal to 9. तो फाइनली वी विल 4 का स्क्वायर प्लस 9 का होल स्क्वायर पे रूट. दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू 4/9 का होल स्क्वायर पे होल रूट एंड फाइनली 4/9 इज द आंसर. 4/9 इज द आंसर. और आप इसको और मेथड से बना सकते हैं. इसको आप किसी और मेथड से भी बना सकते हैं. इसका आप स्क्वायर रूट भी निकाल सकते हैं बाय द डिवीजन मेथड. बाय द डिवीजन मेथड. Your homework is today's your homework. Look at here. There are 5 questions. There are 5 questions you have to solve and by the process using all method. That means कि जो भी आपका स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करने का जो भी मेथड है, that means कि any method you can use it all method. Factorization or division method. By the using of factorization or division method, find the square root of given question. By the using of division or factorization method, find the square root of a given question. It's your homework. I hope you will understand all these things and we will continue with this topic. I think we will start new topic on Monday, cubes and cube roots. We will start our next topic, cubes and cube roots. And before that, test paper 3. If you able to solve the exercise, you can do that. You can do that. Test paper 3. Solve all the questions and send me and send it on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.